Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are diving deep into a kitchen essential that promises comfort, control, and healthy cooking. We're reviewing the GreenLife 16-piece non-stick cookware set, a collection that aims to outfit your entire kitchen with everything you need. Let's start with what you get in this substantial 16-piece set. It's designed to cover every meal, from a quick single egg to a hearty stew. You receive a 4-inch mini frying pan, which is great for personal portions, alongside 7-inch and 9.5-inch frying pans for larger tasks. For sauces and boiling, there are 1-quart and 2-quart saucepans, both with lids. A generous 5-quart stock pot with a lid is included for soups, stocks, and larger batch cooking. There's also a 2.5-quart sauté pan, also with a lid, perfect for searing and then simmering. Beyond the pots and pans, this set thoughtfully includes a 7-inch stainless steel steamer and a set of 4 essential kitchen utensils, so you're ready to start cooking right out of the box. Now, let's talk about what makes this cookware stand out, and that's the non-stick coating. GreenLife emphasizes its toxin-free ceramic non-stick. This is a big deal for many home cooks, as it's free from PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. They highlight that their ceramic non-stick is made from sand and produces significantly less CO2 emissions during its creation compared to traditional coatings, which is a nice eco-friendly bonus. The ease of release and cleanup is a primary benefit of ceramic non-stick, and we'll see how that holds up in practice. Comfort is clearly a focus with this set, as indicated by the soft grip moniker. The Bakelite handles are designed to stay cool on the stovetop. This is a crucial feature for safe and comfortable cooking, eliminating the need for oven mitts for most stovetop tasks. The construction also boasts reinforced bases for even heating. This wobble-free design is intended to provide extra strength and, more importantly, distribute heat evenly across the cooking surface, preventing hot spots and ensuring consistent results. Cleanup is often the least favorite part of cooking, and GreenLife aims to make it painless with their rivetless interiors. This design means there are no crevices where food can build up, making it much easier to wipe clean. While the cookware is advertised as dishwasher safe, the brand suggests that hand washing is a gentler approach to help preserve the longevity of the non-stick finish over time. The durable tempered glass lids are a practical addition, allowing you to monitor your food without lifting the lid, which is essential for maintaining heat and cooking efficiency. In terms of stovetop compatibility, this set is versatile and works on all stovetops except induction. For those who enjoy baking or finishing dishes in the oven, the cookware is oven-safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, offering added flexibility for your culinary creations. Another commendable aspect is the use of recycled materials. The cookware vessels themselves are constructed from a minimum of 65% recycled aluminum, excluding the handles, which is a positive step toward sustainability. So, let's break down the pros and cons. The comprehensive 16-piece set provides excellent value and covers a wide range of cooking needs. The toxin-free ceramic non-stick coating is a significant health and safety advantage. The stay-cool handles and reinforced bases contribute to a comfortable and consistent cooking experience. The ease of cleaning due to the rivetless interior is a definite plus. The inclusion of a steamer and utensils makes it a complete package. The use of recycled materials is also a strong positive. However, there are a few points to consider. The cookware is not compatible with induction stovetops, which might be a deal-breaker for some. While oven-safe, the 350 degree Fahrenheit limit is moderate, some recipes might require a higher temperature. While dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended for best results, which adds a bit of labor to the cleaning process. Also, with any non-stick cookware, its longevity is often tied to how well it's cared for and how frequently it's used. Overall, the GreenLife 16-piece non-stick cookware set offers a compelling package for home cooks looking for a healthy, comfortable, and versatile set of pots and pans. The emphasis on toxin-free materials and ease of use makes it an attractive option, especially for those new to cooking or looking to upgrade their existing cookware with a focus on health and convenience. Link in the description.